Can a face mask kill coronavirus? Shocked? If you want to know how exactly this works, then stay tuned as we explore the world of coronavirus killing masks. As we all know that need is the mother of all invention, and the world is facing a do-or-die situation due to coronavirus outbreak, and scientists are working extra hard to develop a cure for it. But unfortunately, a vaccine is still not in the market and will take quite some time. So scientists started exploring other methods for stopping the spread of coronavirus. And it has been reported that a group of scientists in India working in Bhavnagar-based Central Salt and Marine Chemical Research Institute have developed a special mask using membrane technology that can give enhanced protection against pathogens, including viruses and bacteria. The mask can kill the virus and bacteria that get attached on the outer surface, which is made from a special material. Dr. V.K. Sahi, Head of Membrane Science and Separation Technology Division of CSMCR, has told that the outer coating is made from material which is antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal. This means that any pathogen attached on the outer surface will be killed. The outer porous film is made from a modified polysulfone material having a thickness of 150 micrometer. The material can kill any virus having a size of 60 nanometer and above. The coronavirus has a diameter of 80 to 120 nanometer. In another case, a group of researchers led by alumni Professor Dibakar Bhattacharya at University of Kentucky said that they are developing a mask that would kill the virus on contact. The basic idea is that the enzymes in the antiviral membrane mask would attach to the spikes on the novel coronavirus. Then the enzyme would separate these spikes, killing the virus. According to Bhattacharya, one of the most important features of the mask is that it captures the coronavirus. He said this would decrease the number of particles that are in the air and could be transmitted to others. He added that the mask would be non-toxic, very thin, and could potentially change colors when coronavirus is detected on their surface. The National Science Foundation has given a $150,000 grant to create these masks. In another case, an Indian kid, Digantika Bose, a class 11 student of West Bengal, has developed a mask that can kill coronavirus. The mask was invented in just 7 days with 2 major components. The girl has named it AA Providing and Virus Destroying Mask. It can destroy coronavirus instantly the moment it comes in contact with it. She explained, it's a 2-fold mask equipped with 2 number of one-way valves and filters planted in 2 directions, and the valves are linked to 2 separate chambers. During inhalation, one of the valves allows filtered air to get access to the lungs, and the filter kills the virus if it tries to enter through the air. So these are all the studies reported till date. Let's hope we get these kinds of masks soon in the market. Till then, like and share the video, and do tell me in the comment box if you also have encountered any such technology which can be used in face masks for coronavirus killing. Stay safe, stay home.